This concrete step needed to be repaired, so what I did is chisel out all the old material, then I used a hammer drill to drill some holes for these Tapcons. The Tapcons are going to serve as anchors for the new material. You also want to use a horsehair brush to clean off the step. In this case, I also recommend using concrete bonding adhesive. This one's from Quikrete. I painted this on or applied it with a paintbrush to the patch area. You want to allow that to dry, and then I'm also going to be using Quikrete quick setting cement. This is Pam. I'm going to be using it to spray down the form. I just put the form in place and held it up against the old step using cinder blocks. I also recommend using a silica dust respirator before you mix up the new material. You want to create a little pit in the center, apply the water, and mix that up with a shovel to the right consistency. The consistency is important. Then you can place that into the form area using a margin trowel, and then you also want to trowel that in place and make it nice and smooth and even with the other part of the step that is in place. I just used a level to do that, but you could also use a screed. Pull the form, apply any extra material to make the step nice and square, and then what you can do is sponge that down and use an edger to create a bullnose edge on the front of the step. Pretty simple to do, and hopefully these tips help you repair a concrete step.